I was looking for these since they came out a few months back. Could not find them because initially they had sold out. And one of my subscribers, one of my faithful, loyal subscribers, was asking me to check it out and asking me if I was going to check it out. And they brought it back to my attention. I was like, oh, yeah, I forgot. So I got them and they came. So let's get into it. Let's jump right into it. All right. Pretty tough, pretty hard. Nothing else in the box. It's just a box. So you get this little clip right here, so you can clip it onto your bag or clip it onto your belt. It's a little too big for me to be clipping onto my belt. And it also has these things that I noticed. You can slide something under here. So like if you have a strap on your bag or a book bag or whatever it is, you can slide it right on, and you can slide it in there, and it can, like, you know, like stick to, you know what I mean, whatever. Who cares? What's up, everybody? It's Meech. You're tuned into On the Radar, where we cover health, fitness, and tech. Currently on the radar are these Rock headphones. Now, a lot of us have been hearing about these headphones. They're the Rock Edition. Wait, let me get this completely right. They are the Under Armour Project Rock Edition. That's what these are. You know, many of us are Rock fans, and you know he goes hard with the motivation. We know he goes hard in the gym, and he came out with his own gym headphones. So I know I was definitely looking forward to trying these out, because if Rock is going hard in the gym to some headphones, and you know, I want to know what those is about. So one of the first things that I see about these that I like is, let me get these in focus, is they are all black. I like that all black design. They also come in yellow and black, as well as a black and gray camo edition. Now, the first thing I notice about these is the ear cups are breathable, which is good. And they say you can also, they're removable. You can wash them. They're, you know, when you're sweating in the gym, a lot of times the leather headphones, sometimes they just get slick. They slide off your head. Other ones, they will absorb the sweat, and then they don't dry, and then they get kind of nasty. They start breaking and cracking. It gets kind of reckless. So these will definitely, you know, be good, because they'll be able to dry out from your sweat. And also, you know, when you need to, you can take them right off and you can wash them, put them back on. The other thing that I noticed is it has this material right here, which it stops it from slipping. Like if you're laying down and you're bench pressing, you have the headphones on, they tend to slide a lot of times. So this is gonna hold them in place. And they already have a good grip where they hug your head good, but then they also have that extra little padding to keep that grip. So that's actually cool. Now they have your regular buttons right here. Slide this to power on. You'll see the LCD come up. You have your up and down, your pause button right here. You have your microphone right here. You also have your plug for your 3.5 cable jack in case this runs out of charge and you can't get to a charger. You can plug in the cable. You're still good to go. So as far as the construction with these, they're all plastic built, but they are sturdy. They feel good. Let me cut this back off because I'm hearing voices. But you have the cushion under the ear pad, under the head pad, which is good. No creaking, no sounds. They're nice and quiet. They are, like I said, they're all plastic, but they're built very solidly. They feel like they'll take a fall. They feel nice and rugged. They feel like, you know, they feel like gym headphones. They also fold, which is good. They come with a nice hard carry case, and then you know, they fold right in, so that's cool. You won't have to worry about breaking these, throwing them in your gym bag. This right here has the Bull logo. You also have the Under Armour logo. And then you have on the headband, it says blood, sweat, and respect. So that's their little tagline right there. Other than that, on the left side and on the right side, you have this right here. You press the button right here, the Bull logo. You press it, it mutes your music, dims it down so you can still hear what's going on around you. Also, you can press this one to totally pause it. So that's cool. You have the different options. So, you know, as you're holding this down, it lowers the music for you. This one, you straight up pause it. It's cool. Where they connect right here, you have all plastic, but they don't feel, it's actually nice and thick and firm. So they don't feel like they'll just snap very easily. And even when where they bend right here to fold them away, there's actually metal clamps in there. So that's good, because it'll hold up a lot longer than plastic will in the joint. So that's good. As far as the sound quality is good. It's nice and loud. They definitely perform pretty good in the gym. I like the bass. The bass. It can always be more bass, but it's enough for me. It's enough for me not to complain. I wish these either had a bass boost button or, you know, some extra bass that I can control. I would like to have some extended bass on here, but the bass is, I can get away with the bass. The bass is good, but honestly, I wish it had a little bit more bass. But everything else with these, the sound quality is very good on these. The price tag on these is about $250. So that's right around the range of your typical high-end headphones. For me, as much as I like these headphones, I actually wish the price would come down a little bit. I would be more comfortable spending about $150 on these headphones. I'm not really comfortable, as much as I like these headphones, I don't really like the $250 price range with these. I would like to have some extended bass, a bass boost button, maybe noise canceling feature for that price, because most other headphones in that price range have those other features, the noise canceling as well as the bass boost. So these lack that. They make up for it as far as being good gym headphones, because you do have the breathable ear cups, and then they're also removable. You can wash them. That's good. Pretty much it. Everything else, you know, I had no real issues. I had no problems with latency with these headphones when watching YouTube on my phone or my computer. The build quality is cool. They're a good pair of headphones. Like I said, I would just wish the price would come down. But if you are looking to check these out, if you're a fan of the rock, you won't be disappointed with these headphones. Although I do think, again, as much as I like these headphones, I think you can find better headphones for this price range. They are powered by JBL. So, you know, a lot of people, if you know about JBL gives you a good earphone listening experience. So these are good quality headphones. Definitely worth checking out. I will leave the link in the description for these headphones. I'm trying to think of something. I know I'm missing something, but that's pretty much it. They look good. They feel good. They're comfortable on your head when you're listening for long periods of time. They're cool. Can't really say anything bad about them. Definitely worth checking out. So I would have to say that these are radar approved. They're definitely radar approved. But I do see where they can make some adjustments if they're going to sell them for this price range. But and definitely for the carry case, the hard shell carry case, the fact that they fold, these would be good for my gym bag. Definitely good for my gym bag. And definitely good for the gym. So all my fitness guys out there, fitness guys and women, definitely check this out. All relevant links will be in the description, as well as I will leave the link for all my other wireless headphone reviews. Check everything out, make a good decision. Stay focused, stay fit. Please hit that like button, show your support. Definitely hit that notification bell so you can be alerted the next time something else pops up on the radar. Salute.